Hello everyone, welcome. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to study lesson 7, the coastal plains and islands. In this lesson we will read about the western and eastern coastal plains of India. We'll also read about the two island groups of India and the life of the people in the western and eastern coastal plains. India is surrounded by water on three sides. On the west is Arabian Sea, on the east Bay of Bengal, and Indian Ocean on the south. And such a landmass surrounded by water from three sides is called a peninsula. The narrow stretches that surround the plateau region of India on the eastern and western side are called coastal plains. The coastal plains form a part of our physical divisions. They are flat areas of land located near the sea or ocean. The two plains meet at Kanyakumari in the south. It is the southernmost tip of the Indian peninsula. India is blessed with a very long coastline, and such a coastline is very useful for our country. Fishing is an important occupation of the people living on the coast. Also, many seaports have been developed along the coast. You know what is a port? It is a place by the sea or a river where ships can be loaded and unloaded. The coastline of India is divided into two parts, the western coastal plain and the eastern coastal plain. The western coastal plain starts from Gujarat and ends at Kanyakumari. It lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It is divided into three parts: the Gujarat coast in the north, the Konkan coast in the middle up to Goa, the Malabar coast in the south from Goa to Kanyakumari. The eastern coastal plain starts from West Bengal in the north and stretches up to Kanyakumari. The eastern coastal plains are smoother and wider than the western coastal plain. They are located between Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. It is divided into two parts. The northern part is called the Northern Sarkars and the southern part is called the Coromandel Coast. There are many islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. And what is an island? It is a piece of land surrounded by water from all sides. There are two main island groups of India: the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. The Andaman are a group of islands situated in the Bay of Bengal. They are one of the Union Territories of India. The northern islands are known as Andaman Islands and the southern islands are the Nicobar Islands. Do you know? The southernmost part of the island is called Indira Point. It is also the southernmost part of India. Islands located near the Malabar coast in the Arabian Sea are known as Lakshadweep Islands. They form the smallest union territory of India. They are small coral islands. And what are corals? Corals are hard substances that are formed at the bottom of the sea from the bones of very small sea creatures. Now, let us study about the life of the people in the coastal plains. Gujarat. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Ahmedabad is the largest city of Gujarat. Gujarat has farmers growing cotton, jowar, groundnut, sugarcane, and bajra. Dairy farming is an important industry of Gujarat. The famous Amul milk products come from Anand in Gujarat. People speak Gujarati. Gandhiji's Sabarmati Ashram lies in this city, and also the Gir forest, which is the home of the Asiatic lion, is an important tourist attraction here. Maharashtra. Its capital is Mumbai. It lies on the Konkan coast. The seabed of the Konkan coast has a very rich oil field called Bombay High. Do you know that Mumbai is the largest seaport in India? Goa. It is a land of beaches. Its capital is Panaji. Christmas is the main festival in the state. The Basilica of Bom Jesus is the most famous church in Goa. It contains the body of Saint Francis Xavier. Karnataka. Its capital is Bengaluru, known as the Garden City. Mangalore is an important seaport here. Kerala. Its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Malayalam is spoken by people here. Onam is the most important festival of Kerala. Snake boat races are held on Onam. Kathakali is the classical dance form of Kerala. Kochi is a major seaport here. Kerala has a number of beautiful beaches, and among them the Kovalam beach is the most famous. You know, Kerala has a large number of lagoons or backwater. And what are lagoons? They are saltwater lakes which get cut off from the sea. Lakshadweep Islands. Its capital is Kavaratti. People of Lakshadweep mainly speak Malayalam. Fishing and tourism are the important industries here. Odisha. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. Silver work and textile are in great demand. Odissi is a very popular dance form of Odisha. Odia is the official and most widely spoken language. The Chilka Lake, with its bird sanctuary, is the famous tourist attraction. Andhra Pradesh. Its capital is Hyderabad. Vishakhapatnam, a city on the coast, is a major port and shipbuilding center here. Tamil Nadu. Its capital is Chennai. The Marina Beach in Chennai is the longest beach in India. The Vivekanand Rock Memorial has been built on a small island near the coast called Vivekanand Rock. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Its capital is Port Blair. The cellular jail at Port Blair is a national monument. Many freedom fighters were kept here during the British rule. Fishing is an important occupation. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are of great tourist attraction. Puducherry, earlier called Pondicherry, is a union territory. At one time, it was ruled by the French. People of Puducherry speak Tamil and English. It is famous for Aurobindo Ashram. Thank you. I hope you all enjoyed it.